How to use Loox for your Shopify reviews. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up Loox to be your reviews app for your Shopify store. So first, just log into your Shopify store and go to the apps section. So simply click on apps, add apps, and just go to Shopify App Store. From here, just go in and look up Loox, and you should be able to find Loox product reviews app and AI. You simply just want to click on install. Then simply just click on install one more time. So the next step would be for you to pick a plan, but you can also start a 7-day free trial using them. So just go ahead and go through that, and we are just going to continue on with the setup. So first, you just want to change the widget and email language to whatever language that you want to use, and also select the theme that you want to install Loox in, which is the current one for me, Horizon, and click on continue. Next up, just go and click on Enable Loox Core Script, which is going to allow you to enable it from the app embeds. Very straightforward. Simply just make sure this is toggled on, click on Save from the top right corner, and go back to this page and click on Continue. Next up, we're just going to be adding the widgets, so click on Add Reviews Widget, which is going to take you to the default product page, and you simply are going to be able to move it around as you like. But for now, we can just go and click on Save from the top right corner and move on to the next step. So again, just go ahead and click on continue. And now you simply just want to set up your brand colors and also the different icon styles and colors and how you like to display your reviews, whether you want them to be in one line, in different columns, this kind of grid thingy. So whatever you like, you can just go in and customize it from here. And obviously you get to change it later on if you want to, it's completely fine. But I'm just going to leave everything as it is and click on continue. So this is going to be an email which is going to be sent to your customers. You are just going to set when does it actually send out to ask for reviews. By default, it's going to be 14 days after fulfillment. So you can just feel free to change that and again click on continue. And here you also have the option to offer a discount if you want to, if they actually submit a photo or a video review. You can just go ahead and turn it off by clicking on the one available and click on go to Loox admin. And you are pretty much set. Now you can feel free to import reviews if you have any. If you click on this, you're going to have different platforms that you can import reviews from. Or now people can actually get to leave reviews on your store. So if we just click on any product here and go to the bottom, we should be able to find the widgets and leave a review. First, select the how many stars you like and add photos if you want, skip, and obviously add the proper review. So yeah, this is pretty much how to set up Loox to be your reviews app for your Shopify store. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.